I hear a sound in the dark, and I prophesize your return tonight. The image of your shape and form crystallized in my mind. The town was notified, we boarded up our walls, so you can't come through the cracks anymore. But my heart couldn't heal so quickly. You're moving through the night, I'm paralyzed as you move to consume me. Capture me in gravity, so destructive. In your beauty I succumb so willingly as I fall into your embrace. Your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape. Your love swept me away, and I can feel our bodies sway as your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape from you.
Now the moment's gone,
So will you stay or will you go? Was it a moment in our lives, or does it mean something more? Well, you moved so fast and I felt so hard. So am I really the one to blame for this? You can walk away from the wreckage, baby. You know I haven't learned, and I know you'll return. Move to consume me, capture me in gravity, so destructive. In your beauty I succumb so willingly as I fall into your embrace. Your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape. Your love swept me away, and I can feel our bodies sway as your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape from you. As I fall into your embrace, your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape. Your love set me away, and I can feel our bodies sway as your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape from you. I hear a sound in the dark, And I prophesize your return tonight. The image of your shape and form crystallized in my mind. The town was notified, we boarded up our walls, so you can't come through the cracks anymore. But my heart couldn't heal so quickly. You're moving through the night, I'm paralyzed as you move to consume me. Capture me in gravity, so destructive. In your beauty I succumb so willingly as I fall into your embrace. Your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape. Your love swept me away, and I can feel our bodies sway as your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape from you.
Now the moment's gone,
So will you stay or will you go? Was it a moment in our lives? Or does it mean something more? Well, you move so fast and I felt so hard. So am I really the one to blame for this? You can walk away from the wreckage, baby. You know I haven't learned, and I know you return. Move to consume me, capture me in gravity, so destructive. In your beauty I succumb so willingly as I fall into your embrace. Your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape. Your love swept me away, and I can feel our bodies sway as your love hits me like an avalanche. I try to run, I can't escape from you. As I fall into